Next thing is something called like coroner's call. In a coroner's call, usually what happens is you need to think of medical examiners. Say again they are going to do an autopsy. At that time a coroner would be called. He is a legal official person, a person in his own legal and official status. He is going to perform a medical service. So sometimes these coroners could be a non-medical personnel or sometimes they could be doctors. Maceration, the tissue gets crushed and destroyed. So that we call it as a macerated tissue. Next important topic that we are going to see is about cytopathology. So far we studied this histopathology and molecular pathology. Now we are moving to study this cytopathology. What is cyto? Cyto means cell, patho meaning disease. So the disease that manifests at the cellular level. In histopathology, the disease that manifests at the tissue level, here it is at the cellular level. We have various techniques of identifying the abnormalities in the cell. So one such thing would be a immunohistochemistry. In order to figure out whether this patient is suffering from a breast cancer or not, we have certain tumor markers. So are the immune markers. So these substances, they are just added to the specimen, and then what happens? Clumping or agglutination takes place. So the addition of immunostains, we are going to call that as immunohistochemistry. There are two ways of it. One thing is like they can just figure out the presence or absence of those neoplastic cells, and the other way is like they can also arrive at the numerical value of the particular test. Accordingly, we'll have to give the codes. Say for example, we can give codes like 88342 and 88341 for immunostaining, and if it is going to be in a numerical value, then you need to give it like 88360.